Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we have talked about smart lockout values, and we have talked about as well the authentication policies as well as the password protection inside it. So in this video we'll go ahead and test whether the smart lockout values are working properly or not. So first let's go to the users, and let me take one user here. So in this case let's take a user, and let's go to the incognito mode and just think it has an attack. So let's go to the portal here, and right now we are doing a brute force attack, right? Instead of using the authentic method using Kali Linux, right now we are just trying to attempt manually. Let's say I just don't know password and I'm a threat actor, and I'm just trying to find the password of this particular user. So let's try a few passwords here. So I'm just trying like random passwords: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the next one is the final one. So whenever we try that one, the account will be logged out, because according to the previous video values we have given 10 attempts. So if that crosses, then the account will be logged out, and we have to contact the admin for that, or we have to wait for a few seconds as mentioned in those values, and then we can try again. So basically this will block the chain. So let's add the other one. So as you can see, we have got a section where your account is temporarily logged to prevent unauthorized use. Try again later. If you still have trouble, contact your admin. So this is what message we have got. So we have to wait like 120 seconds in order to again log in and try that. So this is how you can use smart lockouts to secure your accounts and overcome this brute force or other kind of attacks. So I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you don't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.